This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so yesterday we have seen this. Let me connect from formula. What is this? This one. Okay, so yesterday we have work over there. DSA, DSA login, and the student management that is working. Okay, now let me create one. Before that, I'll discuss something with you about the type of windows. So if you see here, there are window type. So that is main, generally main, child, MDI, MDI dog, dog help, MDI help, pop-up and response. So we will focus this time only on response, main, MDI and child. So you will learn more, you will read about those windows, but this time we will use MDI, child, pop-up and response. So response is what that requires a response, and without response, it will not allow you to change anything. Like it's a pop-up when you some get some alert. Until you click over that alert, you confirm, you close, you cannot do anything over the page. So that is type of response. And what is MDI and HDI? So this time we have created one HDI application. HDI means single document. And if you look, if you see this is a Power Builder IDE, also a MDI, multiple document. So if I want to open multiple things here, it is not because of, then I will be able to open multiple things. Okay, if you see, multiple screens are visible. So this is called a MDI, multiple document interface. And when we create the HDI, that means only single document can be seen, not multiple windows in the frame. So let me create one MDI for you here from starting. Go to the work, and that is work power training. We'll create a folder here, session 6. Okay, so we'll create a MDI with template. Go here, create a new workspace. W session 6 MDI target. So this time we can go with application also. We need to create some uh, connection object and all. So we'll go with template. Here in the creation of application, you will need a name of new application, library and target. Choose an application type, adjust application search path, name the object to be generated, choose connectivity requirement, specific connection information, specify source of connection information, specify project build. So here it is saying application name. I am saying MDI example. So a PBL will be created with the same name. If you want, you can change. A PBT will be created with the same name. Now it will ask, you want to create HDI or MDI. I am saying MDI with micro help. PBL will be the same. And now it is asking about the frame, WMDI frame, and the menu, MMDI example frame. So when there is a MDI, menu is must. Before, without menu, MDI cannot be defined. So MDI requires a menu. Now base seat, this, and the seat manager service, because you have multiple seat, so a new object that is called seat manager will be created here. Seat 1, seat 2, seat 3, these are the three seats will be created. Title, yeah, I'm going with defaults. About window, toolbar window. Require SQL connection, yes, we need, and the same connection we will use, and we'll create a INI file, and the class will be the same, MDI example connect service. INI file will be saved here. Yes, create project now. So my exe name will be mp mdi example.exe, and then full build, and then done. Do not generate machine code, I need a power builder code, this is called pbd. If I create a machine code, that is a dll, and the platform will be 32-bit, not 64-bit. And now finish. Okay, any question till now? So it will create this one menu, one connection class, one seat manager class. So that is a seat manager, we'll discuss later. And this is a connection class, same, of connect db, disconnect db, get connection info, and some more screens here. These screens are blank. Okay, so let me show you how mdi will look like. So this will look like, this is the area where your screen will be open. Now let me open sheet 1, and in HDI, if I open sheet 1, that will, sheet 2 will replace the sheet 1. But now here you will also able to open multiple sheets. Okay, you can see within that area, that is MDI, your multiple document interface area, you will move this, but not out of this area. Now look at this, what is written here, ready. So this is micro help. So this area will be used to show some messages as a micro help. We can close. Now go to toolbar, open this, open this window. If you want tile vertical, that will be vertical arrangement, horizontal, that will be horizontal arrangement, layered over to each other, cascaded, there will be some cascaded, and whatever seat will be open, that will also manage here, 1 and 2. If I open 3 here, so this is by seat manager, 1 2 3. So you will also be get how many seats are currently open. Okay, go to the head about, that is simple, and here you can go. Okay, and the same thing is for toolbar. So you have the functionality to align your toolbar. This time your toolbar is top, you want left, you want right, you want bottom, you want floating. Floating means moving. You want show text, yes, it will show text. So you can also float your toolbar. Make sense? So best is to top, or you can hide, you can show. Okay, so this is a MDI frame. Now go to this menu, file, open. So here, what is written here? MDI frame event UE open not equal to 1. That is no logic. So if you want to open something, what you need to go? Go to your frame. What is your frame? MDI example frame. So in here, here these are the events created. UE open and it's returning -1. That means nothing is written here for UE open. If you want, you can write here. Like I want to write here open seat. There is a function open seat. Let me show you. Go to the example one. Here, this this is what we want to open. We want to open WMDI example seat one, and this is where we want to open. We want to open under WMDI example frame. And 2, and it will be original one, and then return 1, because else it will give you the message. Make sense? It will open your seat, and when you maximize it will be here. So this is a MDI frame window, and here you see MDI help, MDI with help, and if I made it MDI only, sorry. So look, this area, this the lower area will not be visible in case of MDI, but it will be visible in case of MDI help. So this is the only minor difference. You can see one area here, and that will be available for your micro help. Any question till now?
Hello.
Yes.
Uh, sir, can you open a coding window, sir? Frame one.
1 minute.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now,
So, sir, that is scripting window, sir, where we write the code.
UE open.
Yes, yes, sir. Yeah,
Yeah.
sir. Sir. Okay, okay. Sir, actually, I want to know, sir, in OpenSheet, sir, we have written MDI example frame. Sir, if someone by mistake write here any other name, so sir, it means it's a syntax error.
Yes, because it's need a MDI screen only.
Okay, and sir, what is do about after that?
So that is a parameter for placing. So if you see here, position, that a number of the
Okay.
menu item you want to open
Yes,
to
sir.
the name of the open sheet. Menu bar item are number from the left, beginning with 1 or default to 0. List the open sheet under the next to last menu item.
Okay.
Okay, so
Got it, sir. Yeah.
this is just like I want to show you the MDI. We'll show you how we can use methods and all with the MDI. Okay, so this is just need to show you the how MDI works. So let me create a
Thank you, sir.
new template, new target without any MDI. I'm saying this time I'll say this home expense management. Oh, HSM, home, or you can go expense management. Okay, so this is only one application object, nothing else. I'll create one uh, connection wizard, go with the required database connection, DB profile, application INI. So for this, what we need to do, LNV connect, and then LNV connect equal to create LNV service, and then if LNV connect dot of connect DB equal to 0, then else, and if message box error, error during connection, so it will repeat all things. Okay, now I'll create a MDI screen, but before MDI screen we need to create a menu, otherwise we will not be able to create a MDI screen. Here, first thing I am saying here, that is expense master. Okay, and then home expense, home expense, and then exit. Name it MDI frame. Going here, creating a window, and putting it MDI help, and adding one menu here, that is MDI frame, and title is home expense management. Window name is WMDI frame. Any question till now? And when there is a success, then open my WMDI frame, and this will be a maximize the state screen. This, if I run this, it will be like this. Okay, And what I have done mistakenly here, I need to create one math some menu that is called file, and then under that file these should be available. Save it, run it. Okay. Now for exit, what we need to do? We need to hold close, and we will also add some toolbar here. So go to the toolbar, and toolbar name is expense master. The toolbar item is, I'm giving it like one icon, just giving it like this: home expense, home expense, giving it some icon, just one icon. And exit, it will be exit, and then toolbar will be like exit. Look, toolbar is also available. And now here I can say this dot toolbar item, toolbar name. When you have not able to understand the exact, you just go toolbar name, toolbar. So I think it's toolbar name equal to two. No, this dot toolbar name. So toolbar name, no. What is that? I have missed. So text. No. Okay, so I'll show you some. We can show it here. Go to the current target. Here in toolbar, what is this? Show text. So I want to make it true. Show text. Show toolbar text. That means show toolbar text. Go to here. Show toolbar text. This topic. No problem. We can check from here. We can check from here what is doing here. If we go with MDI frame and then toolbar, it's open WMDI example toolbar, and when we do a so text, what it do, get application dot true. So we can also write the same thing here in our screen. Okay, so it's toolbar text property. So either we need to go to right here, or we can go to the application object, and after open, we can set it here, this dot toolbar text, because we are on application object only, so we cannot, we can mention it like this. So if I run it, it will show my text also. Make sense? Close. Now I need to create multiple screens, so I'll go with inheritance, not with every time I'll go with same screens. So I'll create here one base, and that is called my, you can say, base. I'm saying why I'm current target, then window, no, window, and then yes. Let me do one thing. I need to remove this target, otherwise it will be, okay. So this is, I am creating a base application, base screen. So I'm calling it W base. So here we know we have multiple functionality, so we can create some events, user defined events. So here also you can say user defined events. So there are some events that is uh, system defined, but some events we can also define. There are multiple events written here, but we can also define some events. So I'll define some events. UE new. I'm calling it UE new, and just putting one comment here, nothing else. Blank events. UE delete. UE, you can say save. UE print. UE save as, to export your data. And anything else? Add, edit, delete, print, save as, close. So I think it's done. Add, delete, and you save, print, and close. And we have close event already here, so we can write it here, close this. So this means the same screen you need to close. Okay, so this is your base class, nothing else. You have created some blank events, and then you will go with, you will create a class, new class, like I'm saying here, from the base, and renaming it, putting one data window control here, and just naming it W expense PE master. So you will see these events are available also here in the window events. Okay, so if you want to write some code, you need to write code here, not in the base class. You need to write code here. Like if you want to code this dw expense pe master, first what we need to set it dot set trans object sqlca in the open event, and in the in UE new event what you need dot insert row. Okay, so same way we will write every every event here. So look, open event is only implemented in the this child object, so that means it is coming purely yellow, and the UE new has code in the both level, parent level and child level. So at child level this is written, and what is written at parent level, just some blank. So you will see the difference here. Okay, UE delete is not written at child level, only at the parent level, so that is purely blue. So this way you can find that code is written at child level also and at parent level also. Now how we will call these events from so the one way we'll go and we'll create some buttons here. That is one way, and we can call those events. Now I want to create something like you can say generic. Okay, so what I need to create here, I'll create a menu with the inheritance of old menu. Now file is here, and I'll create some menu that is called activity. Okay, and under activity I'll create some sub menus. That is, one is new, delete, save, print, save as, and then close. MMDI frame and call it activity. And if I want to make some toolbar also, new, delete, save, print, save as, and then close. So one blank available here. Now let me add this menu to the my expense master, and I'll add this activity parties. And what we need to do, over the MDI frame in the file in the expense master, we need to write a open sheet. Go to the open sheet function. If you not remember the proper syntax, I'll go here and we'll take example from here. What is the my child name? Child name is WX master. Frame name is WMDI frame. Save it. Okay. Now let me run it. So this will be visible because we have given one extra menu here. So the frame menu will be available here and screen toolbar will be available here. And look for the what is the difference between toolbar and, so menu will be replaced and toolbar will be appended. Yes. So you see there will be no two menu, like double menus are not there. Only the seat menus will be replaced from the your MDI menu, and the toolbar is appending. So this toolbar is appending. So this is also available in one in the MDI frame, and it's also available in, because it is a inherited one. So MDI frame activity is a inherited one. So all will be available here. If I want to show, don't want to show it here, I'll go and I don't want activity here. Look. So this is frame toolbar available at the top and the screen toolbar available at the, if I close this, now let me show close. So what I need to do here, I need to get the active window. So window LW active sheet. So window is a class and that is active sheet, and I can get a active sheet equal to, what is my framework name is WMDI frame dot get active sheet, maybe this one. This will give you the reference of your active sheet, and then what we need to do over the close, active sheet dot trigger event. I need to trigger a event from active sheet, and that is a close event. And over the close we have written what we have written here. If you see in the close, we have written close this. So this will close. Now let me show you the first how it will work, and then, so it is working and how it is going there. Go to the here active sheet breakpoint, that is for debugger, and I want to go for debugger. Close. Yes, it is step in, step over, step out, step over. So it's give me a reference of sheet. So let me show what is available here. So all the parameters, all the properties are available, and it is giving a name or not. MDI frame, app menu, and many more. All things are available here. Okay, and then I'm going step in. So look, we are here from close return long from W base, and if you see from where we are coming, here you can go to the call stack. We are coming from the M close event click, and then we are here in W base close, and when it will be execute, it will close this. Okay, and I want to, so it has closed this application. Any doubt? Now, like this is coming above side. I don't want to make it above side. I want to make it this activity into the left side. So what I need to do, in the open event, go to the open event and saying this dot toolbar alignment equal to align left. Maybe this one. No, this is something wrong. Go to the here and go to the toolbar alignment, or you can say alignment property, only this one. I'm giving a wrong value, and it is saying left. No, align left. Align ALIGNMENT. So why? Incompatible property toolbar alignment ALIGN. 1 minute. I have call.
So you are muted.
Okay, so sorry, sorry, I have a call. So sometimes if we are not remember what we need to do, we need to look some help or some examples. Okay, so what we want our toolbar aligned at left. So I have missed that align at left. Okay, so now let me remove this example for now, remove target. And because we have written on base, so everything that we have, look, this is aligned here. Now it is looking nice. Yes. Now this should be in full screen. So what we need to do, we should go for the base and we'll go it maximize, and then okay. So the same thing for new and all, we can implement the same thing in new. Go to the close, put it, and here we have given user defined event, that is UE new, and the same thing we need to do for all. Delete, what is UE delete, and then UE save, UE print, UE save as. Okay, what we have done here, we have created one menu, base menu, and one base screen. So now if we want to create the more screens, we don't need to write base code again and again. We will write on the only the logic. So this way we create our application. Now if I want to create one more screen, that is the expense management, I'll go here, I'll create one window from WBase and save it, put it some here, data window control here, and make name it W expense management. Okay, and the same thing I can apply, same menu I can apply here. Go to the first menu, and because here I need this expense management, what I need to do, here go copy this and then just replace my look. Second screen is also available with my options, and because I have written only close things this time, then it will close. Nothing will happen. New delete, because I have not written anything over the child object. That's why new delete save linking is there, but not working because I have not written anything. So this way you can create your framework and then your application. I don't want this. We can remove, we can exit also from here. Any question? So today's session you need to like understand what is inheritance first, and then some logic how we create base things. We can create like everything separate, but that is not a good idea of coding. So we should practice with a good idea, not like a um, anything written here and there. Make sense? Questions? No one has question. No.
No, sir. First, we will create the same, then we will discuss.
Yes. So this is what I have told you. I have shown to you that how we generally professionally creates applications. Otherwise, like creating separate screens, open screens from different menus, that is a simple one. You can create, but this is the way of proper application creation. You can create the same thing and write as much as you want, many times. Like same thing you can write, you can create multiple menus with the same thing, and you can, without going to the active sheet, you can also mention some window name here, but that is not a good practice. So good practice is go to some, create some base and then use them. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
So I'll post this to your drive, and then you need to practice. And this time I'll create application for you, sample application, and in the next Sunday, this Sunday, we'll go for a long class, and that will be a practice class. You will do practice, you will submit your assessment. Okay. So anything else till then you
Okay.
need to clarify all things. Okay, thank you, thanks for now.
Hello,
Yes.
sir. One question, sir. Can we create a table using a Power Window?
No.
Okay. So, sir, if matlab we can retrieve the data, but we cannot create a table from the Power Builder.
Yes, when we create some applications, mm, like we provide tables to customers. Customers don't
Yes,
create
sir.
tables to themselves. So generally we create in
Okay.
applications in database and then we use. But if we want something, we can create, but that will be a very high level of coding. Or you can create some
Okay.
temporary by stored procedure. You can call stored procedure. A stored procedure will create table for you.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, do practice
Uh,
and post your queries if you have.
okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank